Hello my dear young minds, how are you all? Safe and secure at home, right? And welcome back to you all. If a statement doesn't have any helping verb, important. If a statement doesn't have any helping verb, what is the position, right? Before going to know this, let me explain you. If V1, I mean verb 1, this is present verb. If verb 1 came without any SRES, see, if a verb 1 came without SRES, for example, if there is a play, in this play, do is hiding like a devils, like a ghost, like already last time I explained you, okay na? Spirits like demon spirits, devils, which is hiding in the main verb, right? See, if there is a V1 without SRES, do is hiding in that. So we need to take that help of do if doesn't have any helping verb in the sentence. If a statement came only with V1 without SRES, in that what is hiding, Nana? Do is hiding. Very important, my dears. Do is hiding. So do plus play is equal to play. Okay na? Right. Let's get into the one more. If V1, I mean present verb, if present verb came with SRES, like plays, okay na? If a statement came only with V1 with SRES, what is hiding in that, Nana? As I already explained you in the previous class, does is hiding, does is hiding like a devil or ghost or demon spirits in a play, in the main verb, right? So does plus play is equal to plays, does plus play is equal to plays, do plus play is equal to play. So if a statement came only with V1, take the help of do. If a statement came with V1 with the SRES, take the help of does. Next one more. If a statement came with the V2, I mean past verb, for example, played, came, went, cooked, made, gave. If verb 2 came like this, in that did is hiding, my dear. Did is hiding. We need to take that help. If statement came with V2, compulsory what is the helping verb that is hiding in that main verb? Did. If it is V2, if it is past form, compulsory what is hiding? Did is hiding in that. So we need to take the help of that did. So did plus play is equal to played. Okay na? Played. So remember all these three things, Nana, which is very important. And if there is no helping verb in the statement, we should remember do, does, did compulsorily. Okay na? Right. See, do, does, did. If a statement doesn't have any helping verb, first and foremost thing is try to identify the main verb which is in the form, either in the present tense or past tense. If it is in a present verb, and try to identify it is with SRES, without SRES. If without SRES, do is hiding. If with SRES, does is hiding. If any V2 came, did is hiding. Right? Understand you the concept? And for example, let's take one more example. Like go. So imagine only go came in the statement. So which is hiding in that? Do is hiding. Goes, does is hiding. Went, did is hiding. Let's take one more example. Came, came. Do plus come. Do plus, sorry, came means did. If it is in V2, did. Did plus come is equal to came. Make, do. Makes, does. Made, did. Right? Like that. Write, do plus write. Writes, does plus write. Wrote, did plus write. Well, next. And ring, does, do plus ring. Rang, does plus, did plus ring. Rings, does plus ring. For example, eat, do plus eat. Eats, does plus eat. Ate, did plus eat. Like that, right? So we should remember immediately do, does, did. Do, does, did. We need to act based on the main verb, right? Based on the main verb and based on the V1, V2 forms, right? Yes. Hope you understand. Let's get into the examples, right? Yes. Before going to know the examples, just remember, Nana, where we need to take a do, where we need to take does, where we need to take the help of did, right? Yes. Now, if a statement doesn't have any helping verb, practice example number 1. Practice example number 1. Yes. I eat chocolate. I eat chocolate. Right? See, is there any helping verb dear? Is there any helping verb? No. No helping verb. But when the time, if there is no helping verb, we should depend on main verb compulsorily. We should depend on main verb. If main verb came with V1 without SRES, what is hiding in that, Nana? Do is hiding. Do. So if this is a statement in positive, here we need to write negative. Don't, and next we need to write I. Don't I? See, if it came only with V1 without SRES, do is hiding, and last we need to write I, need to end with a question mark. Don't I? I eat chocolates, don't I? I eat chocolates, don't I? Right. Next one. She comes to school. She comes to school. See, no helping verb. We need to depend on main verb. What is the main verb? Comes. Which helping verb is hiding in comes? Yes, if there is a SRES, does is hiding. Absolutely right answer. So give high five. Very good. Right. Those who think very good answer, give high fives. For all high fives, right? Yes. She comes to school. Does, as this is positive, doesn't, she. Doesn't she? A tag, a question tag is used to ask for confirmation. If you had any doubt, for that we should ask a tag, question tags, right? See, if there is a comes, does is hiding, so she is as usual, right? Yes. They saw a film yesterday. They saw a film yesterday. Look at the sentence, Nana. Look at the sentence. They saw a film yesterday. Comma compulsory, right? So they will give. Yes. See, no helping verb. We need to depend on main verb, that is saw. Saw. So if you did not remember, if it is V2, then go for see, saw, saw. See, saw, seen. See, saw, seen. See, saw, seen. Then you will understood that yes, this is in V2 form. Yesterday. Yesterday is a keyword which expresses this is a past form. So when that time, we need to take the help of did. We need to take the help of did. Compulsory. Compulsory we need to take the help of did if a statement came with a V2. Okay na? V2. Remember, if this is V2, V1, right? Yes. So what is hiding? Did. As this is positive, we need to write negative here. Didn't they? Didn't they? Question mark. See, in that did is hiding, and last we just end with they, right? And these are the three possibilities if statement doesn't have any helping verb, right? We need to remember compulsory do, does, did. Do, does, did. If a statement came only with V1 without SRES, we need to take the help of do. If a statement come with V1 with SRES, we need to take the help of does. If statement came with V2, we need to take the help of did, right? These three are very important, right? If a statement comes with helping verbs like has, have, had without main verb, right? Now this title suits for this. If a statement comes with helping verbs like has, have, had without main verb, basically has, have, had always follows V3 in any sentence. If those has, have, had came without any V3, then how we need to write answer, right? When this time also we need to remember do, does, did. If have came alone without any main verb, take the help of do. If has came without main verb, if has came alone without any main verb by the side, take the help of does plus have. If had came without help of any main verb, lonely, if had came lonely in any sentence, take the help of did plus have is equal to had, right? If have came alone, we need to take the help of do. If has came alone, we need to take the help of does. If had came, we need to take the help of did, right? Remember these three, Nana, which is very important. Has, have, had. Has, have, had. Have, has, had. If have came in the sentence without any main verb, we need to take the help of do. If has came, does. If had came, did, right? Okay, let's write here itself only the answer. First one. She has a nice scooty. She has a nice scooty. Many students think that has is a helping verb here, and they blindly wrote question tag for this is hasn't she. So it might be wrong. Compulsory. It might be wrong, Nana, because here has acts as a main verb. If there is no helping verb, has, have, had acts as a main verb. They carry the main duty. Without the help of any main verb. So in this time we need to remember do, does, did. And these has, have, had acts as a possessives. She has a nice scooty means she has now. Possessiveness. She won't now. Possessiveness. Havingness, right? So when this time, if this kind of questions came, don't write hasn't she, Nana, which gives a wrong sense, right? So if there is a has, what I told you, take the help of does. So the answer is doesn't she. Don't write hasn't she. The one who think right answer give high five, right? There itself only. Fine, good. See, if has came without help of any main verb, we need to take the help of does. She is as usual, right? Well, hope you clear, Nana, which is very important topic. See, if a statement came with a has, have, had lonely without help of main verb, V3, so just take the help of do, does, did here also, thinking that they are the main verbs, not helping verbs. So we don't want to write hasn't she, haven't she, hadn't she. Okay na? Right. So this is the first example. Let's look into the one more example based on the table. Based on the table. Yes. I have a new mobile. I have a new mobile, right? See, have came lonely without any help of main verb. If have came, what we need to take the help of do. So, don't I, not haven't I, don't I, not haven't I, right? So, don't write haven't I. Okay na? So though it is a helping verb, in this sentence it acts as a main verb. So in that, what is hiding, Nana? Do is hiding. So don't try. See, if have came lonely, do is hiding in that. Last need to end with I. Right? Yes. And let's get into the last example in this session. Last example in this session. They had a terrible dream last night. They had a terrible dream last night. See, had came without any main verb. Without any main verb. So it acts as a main verb. If had came lonely, what is hiding as per the table, as per the instructions? As per the keywords given by what's favorite? Did is hiding in that. So we need to take the help of did. Didn't they? They had a terrible dream last night, didn't they? So here, if there is a had, compulsory we need to take the help of did, right? Yes. And last we end with they, right? Yes. Hope you understand, Anna, clearly. Yes. In today's class, let me recall you once again what I taught you. If a statement has a helping verb, how we need to write the question tag? If a statement doesn't have any helping verb, how we need to write a question tag? If statement comes with the helping verbs like has, have, had without main verb by the side, lonely, what we need to take, how we need to write the question tag, right? I hope you enjoyed this session a lot, and let me meet you in the next class. Up to that, take care, have a nice day, see you, bye bye dears, take care.